Iran's newest tank can fire missiles through its gun. Its suicide drones overwhelm air defenses. But none of that compares to the missile moving faster than 11,000 miles per hour. These are Iran's 12 deadliest weapons, ending with a missile so fast no defense on Earth can catch it. And number 12 is the IAIO Tufin, Iran's home-built attack helicopter. Based on the American A-1 Cobra, it's upgraded locally through reverse engineering. First built in 2010, the Tufin is 44 feet long and flies at 171 miles per hour, with a combat range of 310 miles. It carries a 20mm cannon, anti-tank missiles, and unguided rockets for close air support. Operated by 2 crew members, it includes night vision targeting to enhance visibility. Each airframe costs an estimated $10 million, and around 50 have been built despite heavy sanctions. Iran uses them to support ground forces and destroy enemy armor. The Tufin proves Iran's push to modernize under limited conditions. Number 11 on the list is MiG-29 Fulcrum, a multi-role fighter jet built by the Soviet Union. Built in 1983 and purchased by Iran in the 1990s, this jet is 57 feet long, reaches 1,519 miles per hour, and has a 932-mile range. Armed with a 30mm cannon and R-27 and R-73 missiles, it's lethal in dogfights. Sanctions limit upgrades, but Iran keeps them operational through local repair and reverse engineering. The Fulcrum's agility makes it perfect for intercepting hostile aircraft. Each jet costs about $22 million, and Iran operates roughly 30 of them today. With a single pilot, it defends Iranian skies quickly and efficiently. Even after decades, it remains a critical part of Iran's air fleet. Coming in at number 10 is the Zulfikar, Iran's first locally designed and manufactured battle tank. First built in 1996, it measures 30 feet long, can move up to 43 miles per hour, and has a 175-mile range. It features a 125mm smoothbore gun and is manned by a crew of 3. Each tank costs about $8 million to produce, and approximately 250 have been built for Iran's ground forces. Inspired by the American M60 and Soviet T-72, it's tailored for Iran's terrain. Though it lacks advanced protection like Western tanks, it's built with strong armor and mobility. It plays a key role in defending borders and leading combat operations. The Zulfikar reflects Iran's ability to repurpose old ideas into domestic strength. At number 9 is the BM21 Grad, one of Iran's most used rocket artillery systems. Originally built in 1963 and adopted by Iran in the 1980s, this 23-foot-long launcher is truck-mounted and drives at speeds up to 50 miles per hour. It fires 40 rockets in under 20 seconds, ideal for area saturation strikes. Rocket range varies from 12 to 25 miles depending on the type. Operated by a crew of 4 to 6, it's an effective area denial weapon. Iran has built hundreds and uses them for fast, mobile artillery attacks. Each launcher costs around $500,000, making it cost-effective for mass use. It's a go-to weapon in surprise strikes and urban battles. Coming in at number 8 is the Tu-S1 Gazdikica, a Soviet-designed self-propelled howitzer used by Iran. Originally built in 1971 and introduced to Iranian service after 1990, it's 25 feet long, travels up to 37 miles per hour, and offers mobile frontline firepower. It fires 122mm shells with a max range of 13.5 miles using rocket-assisted rounds. Crewed by 4, it moves with mechanized infantry units. Iran owns dozens and may have upgraded some for better performance. Each costs around $300,000, making it affordable for broad deployment. Its amphibious chassis lets it operate in rivers and swamps, useful across Iran's terrain. In groups, it delivers powerful indirect fire on enemy positions. Number 7 is the Sharfor, Iran's most advanced and widely produced main battle tank. Introduced in 2016, it's 31.8 feet long, reaches 43 miles per hour, and has a range of 342 miles. Based on Russia's T-72, it adds thermal sights, a laser rangefinder, and reactive armor. Armed with a 125mm gun and a 7.62mm machine gun, it's built for modern combat. Operated by 3 crew members, it's effective both day and night. Iran has produced around 800 units at an estimated cost of $6 to $8 million. It can even fire guided missiles through its main gun. The carrier is central to Iran's armored divisions and a real battlefield threat. At number 6 is the Shade BSG, Iran's first operational drone carrier ship. Converted and revealed in 2023, this large vessel is 656 feet long and travels at an estimated 21 miles per hour. It can cover over 25,000 miles without refueling, giving it global reach. Converted from a commercial cargo ship at an estimated cost of $60 million, it carries about 50 crew. It can launch drones, short-range missiles, and fast attack boats. Iran uses it to extend its drone power far beyond its own shores. It plays a major role in naval warfare and surveillance. Currently one of a kind, it may soon lead a new fleet. At number 5 is the Shade 136, Iran's most well-known suicide drone. Built and entered service in 2020, it measures 11.2 feet and flies at 115 miles per hour, with a range of 620 to 1,550 miles. It carries a 110-pound explosive warhead and crashes directly into targets. Costing between $20,000 and $50,000, it's cheap and easy to mass produce. Thousands have been built and used in active conflict. Iran launches them in swarms to overwhelm defenses and hit radar, fuel, or artillery sites. The Shade 136 has seen action in Ukraine and across the Middle East. Simple yet lethal, it's a key weapon in modern warfare. At number 4 is the iconic F14 Tomcat, an American jet Iran has kept in service for decades. Built in 1974 and first delivered to Iran in 1976, it's 63 feet long, hits 1,544 miles per hour, and has a 1,150-mile range. Iran bought 79 of them pre-1979, with 60 to 70 still operational today. Each jet costs around $38 million and has a two-man crew. Its weapons include a 20mm cannon and Phoenix, Sparrow, and Sidewinder missiles. Iran maintains them using domestic engineering and salvaged parts. The F-14 remains a key part of Iranian air defense due to its radar and firepower. It's the last of its kind flying outside the U.S. At number 3 is the Sigil, a medium-range ballistic missile developed entirely in Iran. First tested in 2008, it's 59 feet long and reaches speeds between 10,000 and 11,000 miles per hour. It has a range of 1,240 to 1,550 miles and carries a 1,650-pound warhead, potentially nuclear. Each cost about $500,000 and dozens have been built. Using solid fuel, it launches quickly with minimal prep time. That makes it harder to detect and stop. The Sigil is a key strategic asset, capable of reaching U.S. bases across the region. Fast and powerful, it's one of Iran's top deterrent tools. Number 2 is the Sharfor, also called the Khyber, one of Iran's most powerful long-range missiles. Publicly revealed in 2023, it's 43 feet long and flies at 6,100 to 12,300 miles per hour. Its range is 1,240 miles, striking deep into enemy zones. It carries a massive 3,300-pound warhead, ideal for hardened targets. Each unit costs about $8 million, with 6 reportedly built. With advanced guidance, it can shift paths to evade missile defense systems. It threatens enemy air bases, bunkers, and infrastructure. With its speed and payload, it's nearly unstoppable once fired. And number 1 is the FATA hypersonic missile, Iran's most advanced weapon to date. Unveiled in 2023, it's 43 feet long and reaches speeds up to 11,500 miles per hour. With an 870-mile range, it's built for rapid strikes. The warhead weighs between 770 and 990 pounds and hits with high precision. Each missile costs around $6 to $8 million, and Iran is building them in limited numbers. The FATA is nearly impossible to intercept due to its speed and glide path. It can bypass systems like Patriot and Iron Dome. This missile signals a new era in Iranian military tech. Iran's firepower is evolving fast, from old-school armor to hypersonic dominance. These 12 weapons prove it's ready for modern warfare. Subscribe, like, share, and comment your favorite weapon below.